everyone, it's Jenny, and today I have my everyday makeup bag, makeup of the week, and I've got stuff spilling out of it, so that's not good. Didn't realize I didn't have it all the way closed, but that's okay. Let's jump right in and see what I'm going to be wearing for this week. I do have a lot of new products I'm trying out, so let me know if you all have tried these products. Do you like these products? Let me know. So I always like to start off with like my primer, and I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, and this is what it looks like. I did a haul video on this with my sister, which the haul video will probably go up after this video, so I have a few thoughts on it. I've only tried it once, so I think I definitely need to use it some more before I make an opinion on it. So we got the primer. Then this is like my spot conceal, is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer and Corrector. I really, really love this stuff. And I'm trying to get my ring light. It's kind of storming, so it's kind of dark, and it's messing up with my lighting. Okay. And foundation. Foundation I'm using is the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I'm surprised I'm not out of this yet, but I really, really do enjoy this foundation. I'm not sure if you can still buy this. Now, here recently, I was in CVS, and I was looking at Covergirl's new packaging. It looks cheap. It looks like from the dollar store cheap. Has anybody else noticed that? I think they're trying to be just simple, but they really need to get a new designer on their packaging because it does not look good. Okay, concealer. I've got a new concealer I'm trying, and it's from the Sephora collection. This is in the shade 02 Meringue, and I'm going to be doing a video in the future, hopefully here soon, on Sephora collection products, because I have been amazed by a lot of these products. Amazed. My powder, I'm using the Coty Airspun. I like this powder a lot. It just does have a smell, a really strong fragrance. So when I have a headache, migraine, I can't really use this. But I do like it, so I say I don't like it. Then for my contouring, my sister gave this to me because she's never used it. The Shade and Light. I was like, that was my face. When she gave that to me, I was like, well, yeah, I'll take it. So it's never been used. I'm the only person that's touched this. I think she swatched it. She was like, I'm never going to use this. And I was like, well, I will. Love. And for blush, I've got two different blushes. I got this in an Ipsy, the Steve Laurent blush. Tried it today. It's what I'm wearing. Like I said, I know my lighting's not the best right now, just where it's storming, and this is the only time I'm going to get to film this video. But I do like it. It's not patchy. You just have to use a very, very light hand, or it is a darker blush. And then my sister gave this to me because she said she absolutely hates this. It is the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit. And that's what it looks like. I did use the bronzer to bronze up a little bit. I didn't mind it. I haven't used the blushes, so, but she hates it. I was like, okay, I'll take it. And for my highlight, now I've been doing a thing with my makeup. I will use more of like a golden highlight, that kind of goes good with my skin tone, in the center of my face, like my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm using the Mary Loumanizer because I don't really like this on my cheeks, but I'm using the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills. One of my favorite shades is the Luna. I love Spectra a lot too. Actually, I love this whole palette, but I get a lot of compliments when I wear this on the cheeks, which I am wearing Luna on the cheeks. So there is that. And then for my brows, new product, my sister got this in a BoxyCharm, and she's so particular about what she uses on her brows. I'm using the Brow Gal, and this is the Brow Gal Tonya Crooks. It's in 02 brown hair. So far I like this. I don't mind it, so that's good. course, my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Conceal and Contour. Love, love, love to carve out my brows. I've hit pan on that shade. Also got the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Can't go wrong with this. For your eyeshadow primer. And shadows. My sister gave this to me as well. She was doing a declutter, and she was like, I don't want this. This is the Real Her 2 shadow palette. Do your squats. It's kind of funny. And that's what it looks like. It looks like some colors I would use. I definitely want to try it to see if I like it. And then this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. I used this today, and I just don't know about it. It's kind of boring. Does anybody else think this is kind of boring? But even so, I still definitely want to use this because I hate to see anything go to waste. I'm like, ugh. You know, she got this in a BoxyCharm. People paid money for this stuff, and it's kind of expensive. So definitely want to get, you know, my use out of it at least. And for my eyeliners, I've got the Kat Von D, the Trooper liner, Tattoo Liner and Trooper, and then this is the Maybelline Unstoppable. I like both of these. I think they're both pretty good. And then for my mascara, I really, really enjoyed this the first time I tried it. Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I really like the packaging too. I know a lot of big beauty YouTubers were doing videos on this. That's the wand. I really, really like. It's so good. You should definitely try it. Definitely at least like I did pick up the smaller size. Because I can understand not wanting to make that full commitment and getting a full size mascara, especially if it's one you don't like. But if you got it at Sephora or Ulta, of course you could always take it back. And so that was everything for my makeup of the week. Let me know what items you're trying this week. Or you tried any new stuff? I feel like a lot of this is new stuff for me. Like I said, let me know if you like any of these products, especially the mascara, because I know there were so many videos on that mascara. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Be on the lookout, because this week the giveaway video is going to go live, and you'll have to be subscribed to enter. Have to be subscribed. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.